Linux Mint is an operating system for desktop and laptop computers. It is designed to work out of the box and comes fully equipped with the apps most people need. Work in 3D with Blender. Draw or edit pictures in GIMP. Use Inkscape for vector graphics. With LibreOffice's complete Office suite, use the word processor. Make presentations, drawings, spreadsheets, or even databases. Easily import from or export to PDF or Microsoft Office documents. Enjoy your music, watch TV and movies, listen to podcasts, Spotify, and online radio. Access more than 7,800 games with Steam. Install the Heroic Games Launcher or Lutris to get even more. Browse the web, watch YouTube and Netflix with Firefox. Turn any website into a desktop app for immediate access. Everything just works out of the box, without the need to configure anything or to install extra applications. It's ready to go. Although it's very configurable, everything is set and tuned nicely by default, and no unnecessary questions are asked. With centralized software updates, system snapshots, a unique update manager, and the robustness of its Linux architecture, Linux Mint requires very little maintenance. It works, it's safe, and it doesn't break. It is completely free of cost, and almost all of its components are open source. Linux Mint stands on the shoulder of giants. It is based on Debian and Ubuntu. It's very easy to use. It features an intuitive desktop and adopts KISS principles. Anyone can rapidly feel at home and use Linux Mint. User experience, workflow, and comfort is key. It's your computer, your rules. This is a key principle at Linux Mint. We don't collect data. We don't work against you. You're the boss. Your operating system is designed to do what you want, without getting in your way. Linux Mint is one of the most popular desktop Linux distributions, and used by millions of people. It is one of the best alternatives to Microsoft Windows and Apple macOS. The purpose of Linux Mint is to produce a modern, elegant, and comfortable operating system which is both powerful and easy to use. Some of the reasons for the success of Linux Mint are: it works out of the box, with full multimedia support, and is extremely easy to use. Here we will download an edition of Linux Mint, and install it in our virtual machine. To install first we need to download the installation file from certain website. Here I am downloading from, and sharing the whole process how to download. When you click to download you will see that there are many mirror servers from which you will get the download link, but I think the first mirror servers provide the best speed. I'm not downloading it now because I've already downloaded it earlier to save time. I'm just showing you how and where to download it. As you can see, I've uploaded the file to my virtual server, so now I'm going to create a virtual operating system using the installation file from there, and I'll walk you through each step. Here, first you need to give your virtual server a name, and then you have to locate the installation file here. After that, you'll need to specify what type of operating system the system will run, for which there is a basic configuration that you should select from here. Next, you will determine how much hard disk space you will allocate for your system. Since I'm using a virtual system, I also have the option to customize how many CPU cores I will use, so you can specify the CPU cores according to your needs. After that, you will provide the amount of memory needed for your operating system, or the maximum memory your system can offer, and then click the Next button. Up to this point, we have completed the work of creating our virtual system, and adjusting the downloaded ISO file with that virtual system. Now we will boot, and complete the remaining tasks. If you've been with us this far, you've seen that we've finished the basic setup of our installation, and the system has started booting into a live environment. Now we will begin the actual installation process. On the top left, you'll see an installation icon. If you double-click on it, a dialog box will open for the installation. You can see the box on your screen now, and it will guide you through the steps you need to take. If you pay close attention, you'll be able to complete the installation process smoothly. Up to this point, you've been guided on how to complete the installation using the right options. If you follow these steps correctly, you'll be able to do the installation easily, whether it's on any kind of system or machine. Installing this type of operating system won't be a tough job for you. After getting to this point, You need to enter your login information correctly here. Then, the files will start copying to your system. And how long this takes will depend on your system's configuration. Since I'm working on a pretty weak virtual machine, it took me a long time. I hope if you're working on a newer system, it won't take you as long. If you've been watching our videos up to this point, thank you so much. I'd like to specially encourage you to subscribe to our channel and stay with us, as well as support us. Also, please feel free to drop any suggestions you have in the comments for the future.